Good afternoon, pigeon friends. Today we will trade with you a strategy called Maestro. We have already traded this trading strategy before in previous videos. Today I want to check how effective this strategy works on OTC pairs. So we are adding exclusively OTC pairs because today we will test trading on them. So we are adding exclusively OTC pairs because today we will test trading on them. So now I will add all the pairs. Great, I added all the pairs. The payout for them, as I see, is more than 70%, but only some trading pairs have a payout of less than 70%. In order to comply with risk management, it's very important to open trades on trading pairs with a payout above 70%, so that our profit exceeds our risks. I will leave this trading pair because the pair changes very often and I can watch it leave in this top row. So I set the time for the transaction according to the trading strategy. I set the price for the transaction at 5% of my deposit. I think this is reasonable transaction price, not exceeding 10% to comply with risk management, so that we don't not lose our entire deposit for a couple for the transaction. So here I will open our first short trade. We saw a valid scraping. So here I will open our first short trade. We saw a valid scraping, a valid crossing of the moving average line. This is a grain downside signal. Now we are waiting for the end of this transaction. So great, our first deal went into the plus. I will not change the price of the next deal. I will work today according to the martingale system. That is, if our deal goes into the plus, I will double the price of the next deal to buy a minus deal and also earn. If the next deal goes into the negative, I will raise the price until our deal goes into the plus, in order to be in the plus in any case, because I'm confident in the win rate of this strategy. Well, let's look further. So, in this example, I saw a great opportunity to open a position for a raise. As you can see, we see in this example a valid intersection of the moving average line, which tells us that here is a great opportunity to open a position for an increase. We are waiting for the end of this deal. Pity, in the last seconds our deal went into negative. But it's okay. As I said before, according to the martingale system, I will increase the amount of the next transaction by 2 times in order to buy this negative transaction, as well as earn more. Well, let's look further. So, in this example, I see an excellent opportunity to open a position for an increase. In this example, we see an excellent wave trend movement which tells us that when the price crosses the moving average line, our deal is more likely to go into the plus. We are waiting for it to end. Great, our third deal went into the plus, thanks to which we recouping our second minus deal. I returned the price from the fourth transaction to $100. We look further. So, in this example, I see an excellent opportunity to open a position for an increase. We are waiting for the completion of this transaction. Great, our fifth deal also went into the plus. Well, with that, perhaps I will finish today's trading session and summarize the results for today. 4 deals went into the plus and 1 deal went into the minus, after which we recapped it with the help of the merchant gauge system and doubled the transaction price. In total, we see a win rate of 80% for today's trading session. Agree, this is a very good results. With the help of trading on this trading strategy, as well as on regular pairs, which we discussed early in previous videos, now you can trade on OTC pairs without any risks. The most important thing is to comply with risk management, not to trade more than 10% of your deposit. Follow the same settings that I showed early and never give into emotions. Well, thank you all for watching and see you soon.